Circuit of the Americas, better known as COTA, is one of the greatest tracks in the United States. It's known for F1, MotoGP, Super Lap battles, and for throwing one of the best car meets in the city of Austin, Texas.
Coyote Hub, let's get it, baby!
Hello everybody, welcome to the channel. The footage you're about to see was filmed in 2019 without any idea that I might go for a YouTube channel, so I didn't record as much footage as I would have liked, but I'm definitely gonna go back there and record a proper video. Okay, so I'm gonna be making a commentary about the video. Looking at the whole footage, everything's so quiet. Yeah, and I don't want it to be so boring, so I'm gonna be narrating. I'll give you guys an idea of what's going on during these clips. So this was during the Super Lap Battle event in 2019. So a lot of the cars that you're gonna see, they're completely different at the moment right now. They're completely changed. The wraps are different, the engines are different. Now we got the expensive cars racing over here. So yes, one thing that was cool about this event is that you didn't need a pass or anything, but you could actually walk down to the pits and see the cars that were racing. You can see how they were changing out the parts that broke down during the races. A lot of famous cars over here, a lot of cars that you might have seen on other videos about the Super Lap battles, time attacks, like the videos that Gears and Gasolines do. And that Honda was extremely loud. Like, you guys have no idea how loud. And it wasn't like an annoying type of loud, it was just insanely loud. This GTR reminds me of the one from Need for Speed Payback from the cover. It's just gorgeous, just look at it. So beautiful. And that's the famous Integra, man. That car is an inspiration. Definitely an inspiration for our Integra build. One of my favorites, this is the Supra. Another car that appeared on Gears and Gasoline. Wish I would have taken more footage of this car. I'll shut up and let you guys listen to the engines. That was a mean looking GTR, for sure. Hyper had a few technical difficulties, but it was able to get back on the road. As you guys can see, it's ready to give the applesauce. And now the drift event. It went crazy. There were so many cars that day. They also had a pit section so you can see people working on their drift cars. There was a few cars that you can actually pay to ride along with the driver. And there was actually a drift taxi as well. So you had multiple passengers drifting. So that was something really cool. You don't see that a lot. We got that 350Z tribute to, I guess, the Japanese police cars. So that's pretty cool. We got a couple S13s. This S14 is actually the one that was on Hypercar. I think it's a RB26, RB25. A lot of you may not know this car. This is from a company called Sierra Cars. And they make some badass machines for rally racing, circuit racing and everything. They actually went up to Pikes Peak to show the performance of the car. I think it has like a Hayabusa engine on the back. So this car is pretty cool. It'll be a ride to drive one of these. So Sierra Cars, hook it up. I'll fly over to Texas, I don't care. But now, are you guys ready for the sauce? This is the part that I've been wanting to show for the whole video. I actually got to be on a ride along with one of these drift cars, and this is my first time ever being on a drift car. It was a great experience for me, and I was pissing my pants the whole ride. I was trying to keep it cool and everything, just try to record, but this thing was insane. This was a great experience. I'll show you guys. Just look at that formation. It's like seeing Santa Claus's reindeers all lined up and everything. It's just a great image. My cats are here just helping me edit the videos. Super Lap Battle at Circuit of the Americas. It's a great and fun experience. I would recommend it. If you're a car guy and you live in Austin, Texas and you haven't gone, I don't know what you're doing, bro. I do not know what you're doing. So yeah, NSA bet with the sauce for the YouTube. If you guys enjoy these type of videos, it's for you guys to like the video. Like, no, honestly, like the video so I can know and so I can be putting out more content like this. What she said, stay tuned, stay swift, and see you guys.